Hello, students from FHS, the graduating class, and the students who have taken manufacturing courses through FHS. I just want to say, congratulations on wrapping up this year. I know it didn't go the way that you wanted to, or planned, or expected, but you guys are resilient, you're strong, and you're plowing forward. There's still lots of things that are yet ahead of you, whether whenever we are able to kind of open up, whether that opportunities is going to be work or school, there is a future for you. I want to talk a little bit about both of those things, both future trainings for school or education and some career opportunities. As you know, we had planned to have a manufacturing focused job fair back in April, but obviously because of the whole COVID-19 tragedy, that we had to stop it. Through the work of the Career Center, Scott Percival has done a lot of hard work in collecting businesses that we have relationships with, and they're hosting a virtual job fair, which is going to be May 8th. So it's 2 days from now, depending on when you're watching this. So I want to actually prep you for how to participate in this. So you will be receiving an email from me with the PowerPoint that it's going to go live when on Friday, May 8th. And so you guys can participate and apply. Some of the stuff that you want to do to make sure that you're prepared for this are you want to have a resume ready. You want to make sure that you've hogged out a certain period of time so you can interact with the recruiters virtually and doing emails, cover letters, things like that. If you do not have a resume, please email me and I'll walk you through it. I'll send you a template. You can, it's almost like plug and play. You can just put in your information and go from there. It's a really great template to work with. I know that you will have your guidance counselors there with you who will be also able to help you in the process as well. So if you allow me to do some screen sharing, and this is a preview of all of the employers that will be participating in this day. I will give you a brief overview of who they are and where they're located and what type of products they will make. So let's see if this works. All right, let's start off at the very beginning. So once you log in, you will see this screen. It will say Mass Hired North Central Career Center Virtual Job Fair. Once it's live, you'll be able to scroll through the rest of the slideshow, but it's first company. As you can see the format, it's going to have the company logo up top, then it's going to have job openings underneath, and then you'll see in blue, it will have the job opening titles. In order to click on them, you can either control click and it'll bring you to the link. So the company has links set up with a job description and how to directly apply to them. If you want to click here to connect with recruiter, that will bring you to an opportunity to connect you directly with the human resources manager who's in charge of doing the whole hiring process for that for the company. So let's jump right in. So ACT is Advanced Cable Ties. They are a company located in Gardner. They're a great company, lots of automation going on. They make zip ties of all different lengths. It's used in so many different industries, whether it's even car industries, aerospace industries. Lots of different industries are using zip ties, and it's an amazing company to work for. It's very clean, climate controlled, and I think for people who are interested, who are able to get out to Gardner, this would be a great company to work for and to look at. Here's this company called Appleseed Personnel Services. So on this list of manufacturers, there are some personal, some of these temp agencies that manufacturers use. So lots of companies use temp agencies as like the gatekeepers. So they have you have like a trial kind of thing before you actually get hired directly on. You have to go through temp agencies. So lots of companies use them, and this is a company that lots of manufacturers use in our area to kind of vet their potential employees. So Appleseed Staffing, they are a great staffing service. I've sent plenty of students to work through them over the past years, and they have lots of great connections in the community that can meet lots of different needs. So if you want to see multiple opportunities, Appleseed Personnel Services, they're located in Leominster, and they have a pretty broad reach. Next company is AIS. AIS is a company that's located in Leominster. They are Leominster's largest single employer, and they are also very innovative. Lots of great things and recognition is being brought to this company because of the management and the leadership and the way that AIS treats its workers. They are known for making furniture, so whether that's office furniture, furniture for schools, and all different types of furniture. And they're very creative as well. They have lots of different job openings, so they're looking for industrial seamstresses and configuration administrators. They do have lots of automation going on at this company. Catania Oils, they are a company located in Ayer, Massachusetts. Lots of opportunities there. They're looking for machine operators, account payable specialists, and forklift operators for second and third shift. It's a pretty amazing production. Sometimes when they make food quality oils, and so I enjoy time in the kitchen. So I do actually use their products, the virgin olive oil. So a great company to work for. I have had a student work there in the past, and the student has enjoyed working there. So lots of innovation going on. Eastridge is also another temp agency or personnel service place, and so lots of companies do use Eastridge as their gatekeepers for their workforce. So they actually are the same as Appleseed Personnel or Appleseed Staffing. They have multiple employers that they work with, and some of the employers actually have Eastridge on site to do all of their human resources, to meet all the human resources needs. So I know a big company that they do work with is in Devens. So they're looking for senior maintenance tech, inspector packer, inspector assembler, and assembler. So FIBA Quality Product Services, they're located in Littleton. They make tubes and also vessels that can hold different types of gases. And they make trailers that can help transport the gases, but they also do cryogenic tanks and stuff like that. So if you don't know what that is, go Google it. It's some pretty cool high-tech stuff. They're looking for maintenance tech, supervisor, second shift, and they also have a bigger list of openings that you can click on to see what's available. So First Plastics Corp, they're located in Leominster, Massachusetts. They are a part of a bigger business park. They are looking for assemblers and packers. Things that they make, lots of plastic products that are injected molded. FASTA Tech Optics, they are located in Leominster as well. They're looking for a lead person to do their molding. So they make lenses, also like even glasses, lots of different, could be even face shields and things like that. But they do lots of different products that deal with lenses. We have a company called Jamil Healthcare. They have 2 different locations. So you have both Clinton and Devens, both Clinton and Devens. So they do medical devices. So once again, these are places that are clean. Some of them you have to have, could be climate controlled rooms that you can have any type of dirt in it, so you don't have to worry about going to work and getting filthy, because the medical devices that they're making need to be sterile. They need to be clean. And so they're both looking for quality inspectors. Speaking of quality inspectors, we make 4.0. We have a quality class that is coming up, which is going to be starting May 18th. And so taking this class can actually help you get a job at one of these places at a higher level than just entry level. So if you want more information on that, please reach out to me, email me. My email address is awilson@fhsmanufacturing.com. at masshirenorthcentralwb.com. That's A. Wilson at masshirenorthcentralwb.com. And I'd love to talk about some of the classes and opportunities that can apply to you and help you get these jobs. Next company is KCB Solutions. KCB Solutions, they are a company located in Shirley. And so they work with semiconductors and also microwave products. So no, not microwaves, things that are going to cook your chicken nuggets, but microwave products like, things that, the microwaves. And so they have equipment that tests that. So they're looking for a person that's a test operator. Massey Bioservices, they're located in Pepperell. They also have a very creative layout there. So they are known for working with biopharmaceutical storage. They also do lab testing. So they have climate controlled rooms that do lab testing and test other companies' equipment. So that would also be, if you're into that type of stuff, that would be a great company to look at, and it's not too far away from you guys. Next company is New England Wire Products. New England Wire Products, they are located in Leominster, Massachusetts. In fact, students from Fitchburg High, manufacturing class, we did a tour there back in the fall, and it was a great tour. They make lots of different shelving units. If you've ever been to Market Basket, I guarantee you've pulled a product off of their shelf before. They do all different types of shelving and point of sale displays for many different companies, from Home Depot to Google to Apple, you name it. They got stuff for, to Keurig K-Cups. They even make some displays for them. Goldfish. So they are also a great company. They're looking for a wire shelf assembler. Next company is Pepsi. They are located in Ayer, Massachusetts. They have on their Pepsi campus, they have multiple buildings and they make multiple different products there. So they're looking for quality control techs, grounds and building maintenance, forklift operators, maintenance mechanics, and electrical mechanical worker. And I don't need to tell you what Pepsi makes. So next one is Phillipsmedisize. So Philips, they are located in Clinton, Massachusetts, and it is medical devices. So we're looking for third shift operators, production managers, molding, assembly, program specialists in engineering. St. Gobain, they're a company that's located in Worcester, Massachusetts. They're looking for a manufacturing operator. They do lots of different things there, from whether it's producing abrasives, or I believe it's the company that even cooks the glass or tempers the glass for smartphones. So if you're using a smartphone, you might be rubbing your hands on some of the glass that's been tempered by St. Gobain in Worcester. We have SMC. They're located in Devens, Massachusetts. They're looking for assembler and machine operators. They make medical devices. I've had some students work over there. And the last one is WeStaff. They are also another staffing agency. They are located in Leominster. They have a pretty big partnership between many different employers in the region. And so they can also open up doors for you as well. If you don't see a specific employer that is on this list that you want to work with, go through several of these staffing agencies. So they're looking for a clamp truck operator. It's a type of fork truck, paper winder, and some machine operator, and they have a complete list of other jobs available. So let me click out of this and see what happens here. So yeah, if you're interested in these jobs, please participate in this virtual job fair that's going to be taking place Friday, May 8th. I will send you out the information for the links. You've already just received a preview of it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. If you have a need to develop a resume or a cover letter, reach out to either your guidance staff or myself. I'm here to help you get a job. And transitioning from a job, we also have training coming up. So as I mentioned, halfway through this, we have being offered at Mount Wachusett Community College. It's going to be going all virtual. It's going to be this quality control class. The name of the certification that you can receive upon completion is called Six Sigma Yellow Belt. Please Google that, and you can see all the different types of things that you can, the doors that will open up for you once you have this certification. We also have another class that's coming up that's going to be starting June 10th, and that is going to be a class called SolidWorks. It's this computer-assisted design course, and that will also be offered virtually through Mount Wachusett Community College. If you have any interest, reach out to me for those. We did have several of the courses, but right now they're on hold or postponed until the fall. Once again, I hope that you guys continue to keep your heads up, be encouraged, move forward, press on, because there are plenty of opportunities available for you right now, and there will be plenty of opportunities available for you in the future. And so that's all I have to say. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to having you guys receive jobs from this job fair. So thank you very much and enjoy. Bye.